So when you go to reports, I would do a student roster report right down here. And you can name it whatever you want. Select whatever classes that you're going to need it for. If you need all classes, you can just go in there and select all classes. The sorting option. So right here is where you can choose the student columns. And I already have a grade level column. And so if I didn't have it on there, because I can get rid of it here, it would be listed here. It would be student grade level, and you just click add. So right now, automatically, I have one called name, and then I'll have one called grade right here. There's plenty of other columns you can add. You do have some choices here if you just wanted certain students. You can make it an Excel or a PDF up here in this format tab. I'm just going to leave it as PDF and run report. And right up here, we should see a roster report. And there it is. Hope that helps.